Welcome to eaSwipe. Let's discover how easy it is to check a website's hosting information using our powerful tools. First, visit link.easwipe.com and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your details, log in, and access your dashboard. Once logged in, your dashboard opens up. On the left sidebar, you'll find a variety of tools. Click on Tools to expand the menu, and then select Checker Tools from the list. Now choose the Website Hosting Checker tool. Simply paste the link of the website you want to analyze into the column provided. Click Submit and let eaSwipe do the rest. In seconds, you'll see the hosting details, including ISP, organization, country, city, latitude, longitude, and time zone. It's that simple. eaSwipe makes website analysis quick and effortless. Start exploring our tools today at link.easwipe.com.